Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have another Dollar Tree haul for you all. So let's jump in and see what I found. So the first item I was super excited about just for DIY purposes. They are carrying the premier brand Just Yarn, and this is the worsted yarn. So you can make DIY dryer balls with the worsted yarn, and I've done it before, so I was super excited. They carried, I want to say, maybe like 4 or 5 different colors, or at least what I saw. I picked up the blush pink color, and I am super excited to be doing a DIY soon. Hopefully that'll be up in my channel in the next couple weeks on how to make dryer balls so that you can add your essential oils to them. And it's so cheap. So you can make, I'm gonna have to see, I'm hoping I can get away with 1 ball per pack of yarn, but it might take 2. We'll see once it's wound up. But anyway, I picked up 4 of these, so I was super excited. The next set of items that I was really excited about were by Hard Candy. So Hard Candy is a well-known name brand beauty product. They have makeup and all sorts of things. So the first item from Hard Candy is this Wet Ever, and it comes in this really cute tin, and it is a Bold Hold lip lacquer. So I've already opened it. It does have a mirror inside, so you can apply it if you wanted. And you pop it out, and this is the container. And yeah, this is actually a really cute color. I was actually really happy to see that because a lot of the colors at Dollar Tree are pretty light and they just don't look really good on my skin. So I was really happy to see a bit of a darker color, and I absolutely love this. So I can't wait to try that out. The next item from Hard Candy is Blackest Black Stay in Line 12-Hour Mechanical Gel Eyeliner. It has precision tip, built-in sharpener, and smudger, which was really great. So I'm really looking forward to trying this as well. I don't think, I'm trying to remember if they had another color. They may have had one more color. Oh, this is Blackest Black. They have a metallic black as well. I didn't pick up the metallic black, so I'm excited to give this a try. And the last item I picked up from Hard Candy is a 12-hour smudge-proof felt tip eyeliner. And this is an Anchor, so I think this is more of like a gray color. I wasn't too excited about that, but I'm interested to give it a try and see what I think. So really great finds from Hard Candy at Dollar Tree out right now. I know they also have a ton of new e.l.f. products. I didn't pick any of those up. I just didn't need them. The lipsticks that were out just weren't good shades for me. They do have a wax pencil. If you watch Jenny or Pookie's Views or any of those, they've hauled I think a few of those things, so definitely go and check them out and see about those products because they had a ton of new products. Bolero has so many new products out and really cute packaging, but y'all know how I feel about Bolero, and I'm not going to hate on them because I know so many people really like them. But they have a ton of new face masks. They have some new body scrubs and all sorts of new stuff, and the packaging is adorable. So if you love Bolero products, definitely go to Dollar Tree and check it out because they have a ton. Some items that I was shocked to see were they started carrying some new brooms and mops, and not like they're like really terrible cheap ones that they used to have, like much better quality. And they are by Home Essentials, and I just picked up the pieces that actually go to the mops instead of buying the mop because I don't need it. But this is a microfiber mop pad, and it's heavy duty. So I was kind of shocked because I think this will stick perfectly to my steam mop, and this would work really well. And same with this one. This is a microfiber mop, and this is light duty, it says. So they actually sell the mop that goes with this. They sell the handle separately, so that's $1. And then they sell the actual bottom that this would attach to, kind of like a Swiffer bottom, and that's $1. And I think it's got like just 2 strips of Velcro on it that these adhere to. They also have a mop attachment, and I think they have some new broom tools. But they look really nice, y'all, for like $1. I was shocked. If I needed something like that in a pinch, I definitely would have grabbed it, but I didn't need it, so I didn't buy it. But I was kind of interested to try these out and see if these actually work, and if these can actually work on another product other than the Dollar Tree one. So I'll give these a try and let you know what I think. I picked up a couple new blind bags for my daughter. This is the Puppy Friends Club, and these are cute. There's 8 puppies to collect. They come with a little puppy and the little house. So she loves blind bags. We'll see, for $1. They also had some fingerling minis, and these can go, I guess it says on your pencils, or I don't know, wherever. Oh, let's see. Oh, you get 3 pieces. Okay. You get a bracelet, you get a charm, and you get the fingerling monkey, or whatever it is. And you can attach it. So that's not bad for $1. That's cute. I did pick up a couple food items to try. This is the Stargrim roasted seaweed. I just wanted to give it a try and see how this brand was and if I liked it. You get 3 packs for $1. I'm not sure if that's a good deal or not. Maybe you know if you're an avid seaweed eater. But anyway, I thought I'd give these a try as a snack. So the next set of items I found were Paw Patrol. So of course I had to pick them up. The first one is a 4-pack perfect on the go breakfast mini bites in blueberry. I mean, let's get real, breakfast mini bite. These are cookies, blueberry cookies. And a 4-pack for perfect on the go. These are the honey graham cookies. So I picked both of these up for my daughter. She'll love them at school for a snack or in the car on the go. So had to scoop them up because we love anything of Paw Patrol in this house. So that is it, everyone. Thank you all so much for watching. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. It helps me out a ton. And I look forward to seeing you all in my next video. Bye.